What's up, y'all? This is a quick walkthrough of using the Discord when you're going to be focusing on signals. We have a ton of different things to offer, so I want to make sure that you know how to get the most for what you're looking for. So if you're coming into the chat mainly looking for signals, you're going to skip over this education section where we have our daily classes and all of those things. All right, we have a $500 challenge, and that's something we do periodically, so that's not always going to be there. But then you see we have options, stocks, forex, and crypto. Right. And so what you want to do is for whatever you're looking for, you want to go to that alerts tab where you can activate alerts, click a certain role to get the following person's notifications. All right. So if you hit Jordan, then when I tag Jordan's alerts, you'll be getting notified. Because of our server size, you don't get notified for everything. But of course, you can always go and mess around with your own personal notification settings. But that's going to be the biggest thing for you to do is go through everybody's channel. If you're interested in stocks, go through, see who's doing what. Some people are scalping, some people are swing trading. There's different things going on. If you're looking at stock signals, then go through and check them out as well. And then you want to do the same for Forex and the same for our crypto alerts. That way that you're making sure that you get exactly what you're looking for and you're getting notified so you don't miss any of the entries and exits we call out. Now, the other thing that you want to do is if you know you're not going to be interested in something, I don't recommend this, but what you can do is you can click it. You can turn off notifications, so that's fine. Turn off notifications so you don't get notified for anything in that section. But you can also collapse the category or you can actually hide it. So when you hide it, it doesn't even show up on your screen. Now, you don't want to do that because you might miss out on something. And then one day you're wondering why everybody's making money a different way than normal. But if you know you're coming in just for crypto, just for Forex, just for stocks, or just for options, or any of them, then you need to go in, make sure you set your notifications, and then you can go check every channel and see who's doing what, see the trading style, and see what works best for you. As always, if you have questions, you can reach out. I'm always happy to help.